Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Git for Windows from git-scm.com. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Git for Windows from git-scm.com, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in git-scm.com and press enter. You will be directed to the Git official website. Look for the download section on the home page. The site typically detects your operating system automatically. You should see a prominent button that says Download followed by your operating system, such as Download for Windows. Click this download button. Your browser will initiate the download of the Git installer file. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Find the Git installer file, which is usually named gitx.y.z64bit.exe, where XYZ represents the version number. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. A user account control prompt may appear asking for permission. Click Yes to proceed. The Git setup wizard will now open. On the welcome screen, click Next to continue. Review the license agreement and select I agree, then click Next. Choose the installation location or leave it at the default setting. You can leave this as is and click Next. The next screen allows you to adjust the path environment. It is recommended to select Git from the command line and also from third-party software for added functionality. Click Next to proceed. Now, choose the SSH executable option. Generally the default setting is preferred, so click Next. For the line ending convert, if unsure, the default min-tty option is a good choice. Click Next to advance. Review the additional tasks section and check any options you want, then click Next. Finally, click Install to begin. The installation may take a few moments. Once completed, you can choose to launch Git Bash immediately by checking the option before clicking. You are ready to start using Git for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.